Welcome back to the channel. I just picked up this old Pioneer chainsaw collection, and the best part, only for 150 bucks. So here it is, the collection. We've got a bunch of Pioneer chainsaws. Most of these are 1074s. There is a couple of P28s, I do believe. Back here we have two Remington 59cc's, an old Poland, and this is a 435 Husqvarna that I bought for parts for another saw that I have. I got all of these saws for just 150 bucks, which is not too bad, I think. 15 saws, 150 bucks, equals out to $10 a saw. Pretty good in my books. I'm gonna take all these saws and just briefly go through them one by one. Just check them out, haul them over, see which ones are stuck, which ones are gonna turn over. This one supposedly starts on primer. This one supposedly has no spark. All the others are unknown condition. Like I said, this Husqvarna here I bought for parts. So I have a saw exactly like this one, but some idiot dropped a log on it over this winter, broke this handle off. So this handle is the entire fuel tank all in one. And yes, I am the idiot who broke the handle with a log. Here they all are, another little angle, a couple of Remingtons, the Poland, mostly 1074s. We're gonna see now in just a second. So this is the first one. It does turn over very free. Obviously there's a few components missing. This was only bought just for this fuel tank to fix my other saw. 41cc 345 Husqvarna. It's a great little saw for around the mill. So this one is a 1074, just a power head. Very hard to pull over. There's water coming from the exhaust. We have a carburetor and a part of the handle. Another one, 1074, locked up, mostly there. Another one, 1074, definitely locked up. Carburetor's on it, good part saw. Another one, 1074, turns over, no carb. This one is a P21. Turns over, feels like it has good compression. The carb is on it. This one might also start. Another one, 1074. Turns over, no carb, good part saw. Another one, 1074. Turns over, another 1074. Turns over, it's a bit, oh, I was gonna say it turns over a bit too easy, but probably because there's no spark plug in there. This is actually the only one with a chain brake. Sorry, it's not even a chain brake, it's just a stationary handle. Another 1074. Locked up. This one has a 1073 cover, but if you look at the VIN here, and it says 1074. Turns over good. This one's actually all there. This one is our last 1074. This one supposedly starts, so we're going to try that shortly. So the last two are these 59cc Remingtons. And there's an old Poland here. I have no idea the size or the condition. I don't know how well you can tell here, but it's starting to rain. So let's just step inside the office. So, Pioneer chainsaws were made in Ontario, Canada. These specific 1074 models were made from the years 1976 to 1982, I believe. Most of these are between 79 to 81 models. The 1074s were also a 51cc saw, I do believe. So this is the one, the seller said that this one here probably will start on prime. Stay tuned, because we're going to start this bad boy. So I just have some mixed gas here in this little squirt bottle. So I'm just going to squirt some of this gas into the carb. See if we can't get this bad boy to start up. Bit more gas. She starts. I like to give her enough gas to get a good couple of rips on her. She definitely wants to go. This thing definitely wants to start. Seems like she's not getting fuel, obviously. So this thing is probably going to need a few fuel lines, maybe the carb clean, and we're going to try this sucker out again at another time. So please subscribe to see me fix up this old chainsaw. So I'm hoping out of these 11 Pioneers, I'm hoping to be able to get at least like 4 good running Pioneers out of these. I know what you're saying. Was there ever really a good running Pioneer? What a haul. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. Stay tuned for some upcoming episodes of me fixing up a few of these saws.